Now we talk a lot about pressure here at Airblast Eurospray. Now this little gadget is a hypodermic needle pressure gauge. It's used to measure the blast pressure at the nozzle. Now I know what you're saying, why do I need one of those? Well, the pressure shown on your compressor or pot shouldn't be taken as read, as many factors can make these readings vary. The most accurate place to check the pressure you're blasting at is at the nozzle. The needle is inserted through the blast hose and can then read the pressure as displayed on the gauge. Used correctly, the gauge will verify your nozzle pressure, meaning you can measure any drop in pressure. Now, if you don't measure pressure at the nozzle, you're not aware of when the pressure drops. You could be using too much abrasive for the job and not achieving the correct surface profile. Incorrect pressure can also lead to excessive nozzle and hose wear. A pressure gauge is a critical part of the blaster's toolkit, so get yours today. You can buy these gauges by contacting the sales team or heading to our website where you can find more videos like this.